Good morning children, welcome to Phoenix International Group of Schools. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well, right? And I hope you all are enjoying these classes also. Yes, as you know that children, today is the second day of our online class, right? In our first class already I have shared you the cover page and even I am sharing below. You can see here children, this is the cover page, okay? You can remember, and in next class you can easily take out our textbook, okay children? Right. So, in our first class, what we have studied children? We have studied our first unit, our body. हम हमारे body के बारे में study किए हैं, right? And now in our first lesson, we have studied internal organs. What do you mean by internal organs, children? The organs which are situated in our body, inside, which is located inside our body, children. Okay, ऐसे organs जो हमारे body के अंदर हैं. The organs which are not visible to us, that organs are called internal organs. And our body is divided into how many parts children? Body कितने parts में divided है? Two parts. One is external organ, another one is internal organ. Okay, external organs example children, can you say me some example? Yes, जैसे हमारे पास external organs के examples हैं head, ears, eyes, nose, feet, legs, etc. Internal organs example brain, heart, lungs, kidney, pancreas, liver. These all are the examples of internal organs. Okay children. And in our first class we have studied that about brain, heart and also about brain. What we have studied, brain is called, very good, master organ. Brain is called the master organ because it performs all activities of our body. Okay children. And what the brains need proper sleep. Okay, for to keep our brain healthy we must sleep for a sufficient time, and brain needs continuous blood and oxygen supply. Okay, where our brain is located students? Our brain is located in our head and it is covered by a hard bony structure, that is skull. It is covered by a skull, right children? Next one we have heart. Our heart is reddish brown color का होता है and where it is present वो chest cavity में present है, right children? And the size जो है हमारे heart का वो close fist के बराबर है and we have 4 chambers of our heart, right? Heart have how many chambers children? 4 chambers. 2 upper chambers are called auricles बोलेंगे और जो नीचे जो lower chambers है which is bigger in size, that is called ventricles we are saying. Okay, and our heart have how many tubes children? Our heart has 2 tubes. Okay, one tube will be helpful to supply the blood to our heart, another will be helpful for the carrying the blood from heart to other body parts children. Okay, these 2 combinedly called blood vessels we are saying, and our heart beats for 72 times per minute. So all this, and even lungs we have learned in our last class, right? Can you tell me children how the lungs are helpful for us? Lungs are helpful for us for breathing. With the help of lungs we can breathe. When we breathe, so what we inhale? We inhale oxygen, and what we exhale? We exhale carbon dioxide. Okay children. Today we have to start reading from liver, right? The liver is the largest internal organ in our body. Now children, जो liver है वो हमारे body का सबसे बड़ा internal organ है. It is located in the upper abdomen, and वो कहाँ पर located है children? Upper abdomen it is. It helps in digestion of food that we eat. And जो भी हम food eat करते हैं ये हमको उसमें digestion करने में helpful है. It makes the poisonous chemical harmless. एंड नाउ जितने भी हमारे बॉडी में पॉइजनस केमिकल होते हैं वो पॉइजनस केमिकल को लीवर कन्वर्ट करके उसको हार्मलेस बनाता है. इट हेल्प अस इन डाइजेशन ऑफ फैट्स एंड टू स्टोर रिजर्व्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स. एंड नाउ लीवर किस लिए हेल्पफुल हो रहा है यहाँ पर? जो भी फैट्स ईटिंग है वो फैट्स को डाइजेस्ट करता है, जितनी भी चर्बी होती है ना उसको डाइजेस्ट करता है, and it makes a normal food and store reserves nutrient. And whatever the food we are eating, जो भी आप food eating कर रहे हो उसमें कई सारे minerals, nutrients and all proteins, this will be present, right children? So that nutrients it will reserve and keep it safe. Okay, next come to the page number 7 children. Turn your page and come to this page. Now we have to read about stomach. It is a J-shaped bag. And now children, can you see here? We are reading about stomach and see this one. This is stomach. Okay. Stomach is a J-shaped bag. Now which shape the stomach is? It is a J-shaped. It is located in the upper part of the abdomen. And ये abdomen के upper part में present होता है, ऊपर के side में present होता है. It churns the food that we eat and mixes it with digestive juices. So now here it churns the food. Churning in the sense chewing. Okay, it churns the food. It makes small pieces of the food that we eat, जो भी हम eating करते हैं, and mixes it with digestive juices. And ये stomach क्या करता है, सारे हमारे food को जो भी eating कर रहे हैं हम, वो food को mix करता है किसके साथ, कई सारे juices के साथ, जो digestion में जो juices रहते हैं, that will prepare that one. Okay, digestive juices, like example bile juice will be there, like that, pancreatic juice and all. It churns and digests the food with the help of its muscles. Now how this stomach help us for mixing the food with the help of its muscles. Okay children, it secretes many kinds of juices from its wall to digest the food. So now here what the stomach do, stomach secretes so many different kinds of juices को भी ये secrete करता है to for digestion of our food. It takes 4 hours to digest the food. Now the question is children कि कितने hours लगेंगे अपना food digest होने में. So stomach क्या करता है, only it takes 4 hours. 4 hours लेता है वो food को digest करने में. We feel hungry again and उसके बाद क्या होता है, फिर से हमको भूख महसूस होती है. When stomach is empty and muscles start churning. So now here जब stomach अपना empty हो जाता है 4 hours के बाद, जब पूरा food अपना जो digest हो जाता है, उसके बाद हम फिर से क्या करते हैं students, हमको भूख महसूस होती है. We can feel and hear the growing in stomach and something कुछ पेट में चल रहा है वैसा हमको feeling होता है, that we are feeling hungry. These signals will pass. Next one we have to read about kidney students. Okay, kidney. Have you heard this name, kidney? These are a pair of bean-shaped organ. Now these kidneys which shaped, it is a bean-shaped, एक bean-shaped है. Now see here children, this diagram, this is right kidney and this is left kidney. Okay, this is bean-shaped का है, right? They are reddish brown in color, same like our heart. जो heart color का है reddish brown in color था, right children? Now here also this kidney is reddish brown in color. These are located in the lower part of the abdomen. Stomach and liver, upper part of abdomen. Abdomen किसको बोलेंगे children? Upper part of our legs to the our chest. This is called abdomen, right? So our liver and our heart, they are present in the upper side of the abdomen. But these kidneys, these are present in the lower side of our abdomen. During so many activities inside the body, many impurities are formed in our blood. So now here children, we are doing what regularly in our regular life routine, what we are doing? We are doing hundreds of work, right? So what happens? That organs, other organs, that organs will release so many impurities. कई सारे impurities release होते हैं. Now these impurities are filtered by the kidneys. वो सारे impurities को कौन filtered करता है? Kidney will filtered and thrown out in the form of urine, and that impurities will come out in the form of urine. Okay children. So what we have learned today, we have learned about liver, stomach and kidney. Liver is the largest organ है children and वो lower abdomen में present होता है and food को digest करने में helpful होता है, especially fats को liver digest करता है. Okay, stomach J-shaped bag, it is located in the upper abdomen side and ये क्या करता है, food को churn करता है, makes small pieces and allows to digest. Okay, and that do with the help of stomach muscles. Kidney, these are bean-shaped organs and these are also reddish brown in color, located in the lower abdomen side पे present होते हैं and कई सारे impurities को ये pure करता है and even what it do, that impurities will come out in the form of urine. Okay. So I hope children today you have understood our class. What about the previous homework? I hope you all have done your homework. I request to all the children, please do your homework on time and take the help of your parents if you are not getting anything, but make sure you complete the homework on time of all subjects, children, okay? And some of you are sending the homeworks on our WhatsApp group also, so it's very good, and keep it up, everyone. This is today's homework, students. What is our today's homework? Today's homework, what you have to do? Diagram. Draw the diagram of brain, page number 5, and label the parts given below. Now children, what you have to do? You have to draw the diagram of brain. What is the diagram of brain, children? On our page number 1, we have this, right? Look here. Below I am indicating the diagram, okay? This is the diagram of brain. You have to draw the diagram of brain. See children, this you have to draw, okay? Diagram of brain. And what you have to do, children? You have to label the parts given below. Whatever the parts I have written below, A cerebrum, B cerebellum, C medulla, these 3 parts you have to indicate in your diagram, okay children? You have to draw this in your classwork or homework book with neat pencil drawing, okay children? You can use the colors to make it more interactive and more good, children, okay? I hope you will finish your homework till our next class. Complete it. Inshallah, I'll be back with the next video. Till then, take care and good luck, students.